Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 10 is equal to 400. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 10 on both sides. So now we have x, we have x to the power of x to the power of 10 to the power of 10, and now this is equal to 400 to the power of 10. Now if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So x to the power of x to the power of 10 to the power of 10, this is going to equal x to the power of 10x to the power of 10. Now this is equal to 400 to the power of 10 Now x to the power of 10 times x to the power of 10, this, remember, a to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So we could rewrite this as x to the power of 10 to the power of x to the power of 10. And now this is equal to, now 400, this is equal to 20 squared. So we have 20 squared to the power of 10. And remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this is going to equal 20 to the power of 2 times 10, which is 20. So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, we have x to the power of 10 to the power of x to the power of 10 is equal to 20 to the power of 20. This means that x to the power of 10 is equal to 20. So now we want to cancel out this power of 10, so we're going to take the root of 10 on both sides. So then this cancels out, and we have x is equal to the 10th root of 20. And this is actually going to be plus or minus. So this is two solutions. So these two solutions are going to be our answers. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2x squared. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the natural log on both sides. So now we have ln of x to the power of x, and this is equal to ln of x to the power of 2x squared. Now, an important property of logarithms is that if we have something in the form ln to the power of ln of a to the power of b, we can actually move this exponent to the front. So this would be b times ln a. So this is exactly what I'm going to do to both of these. I'm going to move the exponent, which in this case is x, and 2x squared to the front of the logarithm. So now we have x times ln x is equal to 2x squared times ln x. Now if I factor out ln of x from this, I get ln of x times x minus 2x squared. And this is equal to 0. And now this gives me two equations. ln of x equals 0, as well as x minus 2x squared is equal to 0. For ln of x equals 0, this means that x is equal to 1. So this is one solution to this equation. And for x minus 2x squared equals 0, this is equal to x times 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. And this means that x is equal to 1 over 2, as well as x is equal to 0. However, x equals 1/2 is a solution. However, x equals 0 is not a solution, because if you plug this in, you get 0 to the power of 0, which that is not a defined value. So x equals 0 is not a solution.